Today, we're diving into a question that a lot of crypto investors are asking right now. How much could 2,500 XRP be worth by the year 2026? With the market heating up and many analysts predicting another major bull cycle, XRP remains one of the most talked about altcoins, and for good reason. At the time of this recording, XRP is trading at around $2.15 per coin. So if you were to buy 2,500 XRP today, your total investment would be approximately $5,375. Now, the big question is, how much could that investment grow in the next year or two? Could it double, triple, or even hit a much bigger target? To answer that, we need to take a closer look at XRP's recent progress, its current standing in the market, and where it could be headed next. Despite a roller coaster journey filled with price swings, legal challenges, and competition, XRP has remained a top player in the crypto space for more than a decade. It has a unique position thanks to its use case in cross-border payments and its backing by Ripple, the company that continues to push development and adoption worldwide. Just recently, Ripple made headlines by announcing its acquisition of prime brokerage firm Hidden Road for $1.25 billion. This move signals Ripple's intent to go even deeper into institutional finance, with plans to integrate Hidden Road's infrastructure into the XRP ledger. That could increase XRP's utility in decentralized finance and boost institutional use, which is a key growth driver. Even bigger news, the long-running legal battle with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission has finally come to an end, with the SEC deciding to drop its appeal. This ruling removes years of uncertainty surrounding XRP's status and gives Ripple the green light to push forward in the U.S. and abroad with more confidence and clarity. The impact of this decision on investor sentiment and institutional adoption could be massive. On top of that, Ripple has just launched its own stablecoin, RLUSD, which some are calling a potential rival to USDT and USDC. This could expand Ripple's ecosystem even further and bring more utility to the XRP ledger, especially in the world of payments and liquidity solutions. So, what does all of this mean for XRP's future price? Some conservative estimates suggest XRP could climb to somewhere between $4 and $7.50 by 2026. That would put the value of 2,500 XRP at around $10,000 to $18,750. Others are slightly more optimistic, with price predictions reaching up to $8.64, which would bring your 2,500 XRP up to a value of $21,600. Then there are the bullish scenarios. In cases where Ripple expands its reach in the financial world, XRP becomes a key player in the CBDC space, and crypto adoption accelerates. We could see XRP hit between $16.92 and $26.97. If that happened, your 2,500 XRP could be worth between $42,300 and $67,425. Of course, as always, these are just predictions. The crypto market is notoriously volatile and influenced by factors like regulation, investor sentiment, macroeconomic conditions, and competition. XRP faces strong competition from coins like Stellar, Algorand, Solana, and even upcoming central bank digital currencies. So while the upside is exciting, the risks are still real. That said, XRP is not just another token. It's built for a specific niche, helping financial institutions improve global payments, and it has a track record of survival, innovation, and real-world partnerships. If Ripple continues to deliver and the market environment turns favorable, XRP could very well be one of the standout performers in the next bull run. So let's do a quick recap. If XRP hits $4, your 2,500 XRP would be worth $10,000. At $7.50, it's worth $18,750. At $8.64, that's $21,600. If XRP makes it to $16.92, you're looking at $42,300. And at $26.97, that investment grows to $67,425. Those numbers are exciting, but they come with no guarantees. So always do your own research and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now, I want to hear from you. Where do you think XRP is headed by 2026? Are you holding? Are you buying more? Drop your thoughts and predictions in the comments. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.